In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write Subscript on Notion. Now, Notion is a fantastic tool for note-taking, project management, and much more, but did you know you can also format your text with Subscript right within your pages? Whether you're noting down scientific formulas, chemical equations, or just want to stylize some text, using Subscript can add a professional touch to your notes. Let's dive in and explore how you can easily do this. First, open your Notion workspace and navigate to the page where you want to write subscripts. Make sure you're in a text block where you can enter your information. If you're starting from scratch, just click into any empty text box to begin. You'll notice that Notion doesn't have a direct button for Subscript like some other word processors. But don't worry, I've got a simple workaround for you. Instead of a single-step process, writing Subscript on Notion involves a combination of keyboard shortcuts and creative input. Start by typing out the text or formula where you'd like your subscript to appear. Let's say you're working on a math equation such as H2O, and you want the 2 to be in Subscript. Here's the trick, because Notion doesn't directly support Subscript natively, you'll need to use Unicode subscripts for those numbers or letters you want to convert. Unicode is essentially a universal character set, allowing you to access a wide range of characters beyond the standard set. To find the specific Unicode character for your subscript, just head over to a search engine and look for Unicode subscripts. It's a good idea to bookmark a Unicode table or keep a list handy for easy access. Once you find your desired subscript character, you can simply copy it. Now, return to your Notion page and paste the Unicode subscript character exactly where you want it in your text. For example, if you're placing a subscript 2 in H2O, it will now appear correctly formatted. Paste it carefully right after the character it modifies to ensure it looks right visually. Although this method might take a bit longer than directly using a button, it's incredibly versatile and works well. Another tip is to create a template or a pre-formatted text block with the subscript characters you commonly use. That way, you can quickly copy and paste them into new documents as needed. So, that's the trick to writing subscripts on Notion. Feel free to experiment and use this method whenever you want to add a touch of style or accuracy to your documents. Remember, the more you practice these steps, the more intuitive they'll become. Thank you for watching, and I hope this helps you enhance your Notion pages. Have a great day and see you in the next video.